What's going on YouTube? Florida's finest here, and it is Sunday afternoon around 3 o'clock, and it's a little late to my weekend, but I spent all day Saturday working, and I spent all day today working, and I just got home from work. I'm tired, it sucks, I'm on salary, I don't get paid for overtime, and working weekends sucks. But right now I'm about to go ride trails with my buddy Matt. He's the one with the, he had the DRZ, he had a KTM, he had the CRF, sold them all, got another KTM. So I'll show you his bike when I get to his house. But right now I'm just gonna pack up my stuff and head over to his place. We're gonna load the bikes up in the truck and we're gonna go ride trails out in Cocoa Beach kind of area. So it should be a good day. A little late to the day, but still be fun. And then the garage is a mess, man. I got tools all over the place. I was busy working on the CR250 last night. And I just am very, very lazy. I fucking always put your tools back. I fucking always do. I just forgot that I just was too tired to put them back last night. But yeah, basically I'm just trying to make sure this bike is ready to go and runs and it's good to go because I'm gonna sell it. Probably gonna sell it. So yeah, I'll be taking the white CRF to go ride some trails. So yeah, stay tuned. I'll have my I had to the sumo set it back off the two-stroke. Anyway, my roommate's bike just sitting here. I mean, someone was asking how his build's coming along, and he hasn't even started it. I think the bike, he got it a long time ago, a couple weeks ago, and it ran that night when he first got it, and it hasn't ran since. I don't know what he's doing with it. He just bought a brand new truck. His truck's fucking sick. I'll show you guys it when he gets home. He got a brand new 2016 Tacoma four-wheel drive TRD off-road edition. Thing is nice. So he's been playing with that a lot. So yeah, that bike's just sitting. But yeah, let me catch back up with you guys when I'm on my bike heading over to my buddy Matt's house. So hold on 1 second.
The wire color doesn't match up with what they say, what I have. It's different, it's weird.
But they have instruction paper.
I know. Here, look. I will look. First of all, I don't know what this different ways. I don't know what that.
This is the thing where you have the two separate buttons to start kill.
Yeah.
This is the one that incorporates both on this side.
Okay, so I have.
This Sport 250 is riding away.
Would be. Okay. Okay.
But you should get that because when you're slowing down, you have to.
We got the good old CRF, KTM, and was it a CR 125 two-stroke? Woo! I think sounds good. Oh yeah, sounds good. Fuck yeah. Oh my god, he just took off. Yeah, this is the way I went. Woo!
took my truck all the way back here. Yep, my bike broke down way back here. I've never been this way. Oh, this is so sick. Yeah, this is the worst. Once you get past this, it's fine. Woo! Yep, just like 5A. I just don't know how far we should keep going without finding him. I feel like this is where it gets fun out here. I normally stay in like first gear. Right now I'm in second, but how's it going? You want to go straight or you want to go left? It's fun going through the water. Left? Alright. I hate going first, man. I'm so off-road. Wheelies! Pretty cool, huh? Yeah, we're going left. Where's Jonathan at? There he is. Follow the mud trucks. There's like a track right here. Hey, go get you some of that. That's fun. I think I took the lower one. Oh fuck! They blocked it off. Oh no, they didn't. Kinda. They tried to. Oh shit! We could have went right there. There's this. Oh, a peacock! Look at the peacock! Look at the peacock! You see it? Holy shit! What is that? That's a peacock, right? What the fuck? Oh yeah, those exist. I didn't know those are real. That's awesome. Right, yeah, sharp right at the end. At the very end. Yeah, keep going. At the end, you're gonna make a right. Really hope I'm filming. Yeah, make a sharp right. Just follow the trail. I guess you go that way. a two-stroke since I haven't run mine yet in the dirt. Woo! This thing's got a little bit of balls to it. Fuck yeah! Woo! Holy shit! Wow, this little bike's fucking quick! Holy shit, this thing's fast. Woo. Not bad. Oh, I dropped it. That's funny.